Welcome to the BugMD family. Today, we're going to show you how to use flea and tick control to help your dog live a pest-free life. This kit is designed to eliminate fleas and ticks on your dog and around your home. We'll show you how to get started in just under 2 minutes. To get started, you'll need the reusable spray bottle and one of the concentrate bottles from your kit. Mixing is easy. Just add the entire concentrate bottle to the spray bottle, then fill with 27 ounces of cold water. Shake well until fully combined. This gives you the perfect ratio for maximum effectiveness. Begin by spraying your dog's entire coat, starting from the tail and working your way toward the torso. Make sure to cover their legs, tail, and underbody, as this is where fleas and ticks love to hide. Fluff your dog's fur backward to help the spray penetrate down to the skin for maximum effectiveness. Once you've thoroughly applied the spray throughout your pet's fur, be sure to wash your dog with water. This is the most important step. This washes away dead fleas, and it also keeps your dog comfortable and their coat clean. Remember, fleas spend most of their life off your dog in the form of eggs, hiding in places like your home's carpets and furniture, as well as your dog's bedding and even their toys. To make sure these annoying pests leave your home, spray these areas until they are damp. Make sure to let everything air dry completely before your dog or family uses them again. Fleas have a long life cycle, so you'll likely see new ones hatch over the next few weeks. This is normal and doesn't mean the product isn't working. To break the life cycle, treat your dog and around your home weekly. Consistency is key to catching any fleas that might have been missed and to eliminate any new ones that have hatched. If you're still having issues, keep in mind that consistent treatment is the key to maximizing the effectiveness of the spray. If you have any questions or need more tips on how to use your spray, visit our website for more tips or contact our support team. Get started today and give your dog the flea and tick-free life they deserve.